Good morning, everybody. It's November 2. It's the day after Val and I came out here and put the plastic on the windows. Trying to figure out my next plan of attack, and I think what I'm going to do today... By the way, this is set up for the girls to bring the baby and lay around. But somehow, I don't know how, but we've missed some nails on some of these studs. We went at too much of an angle on accident or something. Same here. We're just missing the studs. So, and then we have random ones for whatever reason we totally missed, and I don't know why. Those are the unexplainable ones. But anyway, I'm going to have this too. I think maybe I assumed a header went all the way to the top or something. I don't know. Anyway, I'm going to do a little inspection, walk around, look at the walls, and then bang those out, pull them out before we paint so we don't have that all sticking through, looking obnoxious. And then, of course, those ones there that are on the studs, at least get some in the studs. So, I mean, it feels solid. It's not going anywhere, but it would be good to have those in the stud. And I think that seems to be about the only spot that we missed. I didn't see anywhere else around that we've missed. But anyway, I'm going to hit that first. I'm going to get that done real quick. So there ended up being quite a few more nails than I thought there was. I did a little walk around and found more. So I just did, I think, one way up there high. And then I did another one right here that was just complete floater mist that just came out. But that one I was able to put into a stud. And now I'm going to go ahead and do these ones up here. Alright guys, I'm excited to announce that I have a brother for my framing nail gun that I like, been working quite well for me. 16 gauge. I don't think there's any perfect scenario and perfect way to do things unless you have enough money just to buy all the nail guns for each of their specific jobs. But through my research, for those who can't buy or don't want to have to buy all the different kinds of nail guns, 16 gauge is kind of middle of the road. You can do some stuff that you would do with a 18 gauge, and you can do some stuff you would do with a 15 gauge. Probably not too much of a 23 gauge replacement, but I don't know that I'm going to be doing any 23 gauge type material, really thin brittle stuff. So yeah, I got this for being able to put in all the door casings and all the trim work around all the windows inside and out, any baseboards and stuff like that where you don't want heads showing so much. So that's what we're going to be using hopefully there. All right, on to the next project. All right guys, it's been a while since I've done some grading here in the front. I just keep going down and down, every once in a while I come over here and give it a whack. Again, remember, I don't know how many times I've told you guys, I'm sure you're sick and tired of it. 10 feet out, 6-inch drop. Been digging and digging and digging. I think I'm getting at least that I have a slope now. I'm getting close to that. Valentina and I are talking about putting a retaining wall through here somewhere. Right here, this porch will come out, and then it'll come out to like whatever's even with the house there, and then probably a couple of steps down, bump. So I need that a retaining wall to go underneath the steps, probably. Something that's gonna divert the water, keep it like over here. So we're trying to do it comes out this way, away from the house kind of thing. But then we're also trying to keep the water from coming off of the road and hitting the house so much. So, working at it. It's a bit to do. Not quite sure how I'm gonna measure if it's 6-inch drop or not. But we'll see. I have a feeling I'll just probably be digging the rest of the day on this. Something like that, huh? It's hard to know to do it flat or go slope. It's a bit to understand. I don't know. I'm just digging for now. I'm doing the not thinking too much part. Alright guys, about 4 o'clock. And I've been digging and digging and digging. So, put a little bit more dirt here up against the wall because I basically want it to the top of, as you can see, we're getting about right here. And all of them are about that same size, but like that's where the level's coming to. And then I can measure off of that and come off 10 feet and see if I go down 6 inches. I'm going to probably work on that tomorrow. And Valia and I are going to decide if we're going to do cinder block here and how much, and just come up with a plan. Don't know quite what we're going to do yet, but yeah, I really cleaned this out quite a bit. Again, the line's just to the bottom of the filters. Screens there. I guess air vents. That's what I meant to say. So I came all the way up here because we're thinking about maybe 6 to 10 feet off of this wall. We're going to put cinder block going this way as well. So all the water coming down this hill will hit this wall and go out, and hit this wall and go out. That way we don't have a bunch of water hitting up against the house. It's already got enough from the rain. Remember, I do have that drain pipe through there. We're considering putting another one out here. We'll see what we do. Anyway, I will probably be out here tomorrow. I will see you guys the next time I'm out here, of course. And we'll keep on working. I'd like to be doing something to get the house done, but right now we're kind of at a stall. We want to paint it, but wait until we can get more than one person out here to work on it. All right, we'll see you guys next time I'm out.